Here we go, 2016 Leaf Best of Hockey, single box, double up, team random break, number 24. First thing we're going to do is randomize list of participants. Everybody's on here in the requested spot numbers. Starting with Green Joe, 617, that's spot 1. Oops, sorry. Forgot to show you where I doubled it up. Down to Snowballs in 15. This is where I double up the list. So Green Joe is also in 16. And Snowballs in 30. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quickly. Go do teams. All 30 NHL teams are on here. Now put a quarter, starting with the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That quickly. Just copy and paste those lists in my spreadsheet. Read off everybody's team. 1 moment. Lacey's got Tampa Bay, Adam, Columbus, and Detroit. Big John, Anaheim. Lacey, Pittsburgh, Adam, St. Louis. Big John, Minnesota. Green Joe, Toronto. Bacon Baker, New York Islanders. Lacey, Philly, Gilroy, Vancouver. Bacon Baker, Dallas. Snowballs, Ottawa. Lacey, Winnipeg. Gilroy, Edmonton. Green Joe, Carolina. Lacey, New York Rangers. Bacon Baker, San Jose. Gilroy, LA, Buffalo, and Arizona. Adam, Florida, Bacon Baker, Nashville, Gilroy, Chicago, Jacks, Colorado, and Boston, Snowballs, Washington, Lacey, Calgary, Bacon Baker, New Jersey, and Montreal. All right, here we go. Box break 24. Good luck. And we will be doing at least one more of these tomorrow night. Get it up on the website. A few minutes. All right, first up, we've got the Eichel rookie auto. It's going to Buffalo. That is Gilroy's. And we've got number marks from SP Game Used. 7 of 25. I'll go to Detroit. Steve Yzerman. That one's going to Adam Nick. There you go. Next one. 10-11 SP Game Used. There we go. Double up 24 in the books. Thank you very much.